right, so for this one, we have a chain on both sides. So the only thing you really need to focus on is that you've got that seamed edge of the hat and the seamed edge of the hat matching, okay? Because that's going to face down so that they're not as noticeable. So what we're doing is we're going through, you can see that there's a row that I'm going to leave of the red. So I'm not going on the very edge of the red hat. I'm kind of going up a row. And I'm doing that same running stitch just as before. And I'm going to go all the way around the hat. So going down to the next stitch, covering over a stitch, going back down into the red of the hat, and going over further behind on the inside of the hat, coming back up through the white, and continue that all the way around until they're connected. Great, so here we are. We've gone ahead and we've connected that edge stitch. I'm going to tie it off on the inside of the hat and cut away the excess yarn. The next thing we want to do is grab that red yarn tail for the tip of the hat. We're going to weave that needle through the front loops only and close up that gap. So that's the first thing we're doing with that thread. Do not cut that thread away, we need it still. Now we're going to grab our pom-pom, part the hairs of the pom-pom or the strands of the pom-pom until you find that tie that you made it with, okay, because that's what you want to attach to the tip of the Santa's hat. So there it is. So I'm going to go underneath and I'm going to go back. First I'm going to tie a knot so that the two are attached. Tie it as tightly as you can. You don't want the pom-pom to feel like it's falling off of the hat. And you can even go down into the tip of the hat and come up and go around and around a few times if you want. That's another way to fasten it down. But once you feel like that pom-pom's on there and it's nicely fastened, you're going to go ahead and grab Santa. Don't cut away that thread yet, because what we want to do is we're going to take some tucking stitches so that we shape the hat the way we want it to be. So I'm going to grab Santa, I'm going to place the hat on his head, wiggling it around his ears, which are nice helpers of holding that hat on. Make sure that that seam is in the back. Fold the tip of the hat down, and then where that tip touches the hat, that's where you're going to want to take those tucking stitches. So for me, it's right there. So I'm going to take that same thread going back up through the inside of the hat, and just as you did with the sleeves of the coat, you are going to fasten that tip of that hat down to the more of the base of the hat, right? So we're keeping them together so that they stay in the shape that we want them to be. I'm just going to take 2 to 3 stitches, really making sure that those aren't going anywhere. They're where I want them to be before I fasten off the thread. That's the last thing that you need that thread for. Okay, so once it's how I want it, I'm going to go ahead and put the thread through the hat into the inside of the hat, and that's where I will tie it off. Again, so that the knot's not noticeable. Okay, and then I can place the hat on Santa's head after I fastened it off, and he is done. Santa is complete, but he needs his accessories. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to make his wreath, and then we'll finish off the video with Santa's 2 turtle doves. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks, guys.